Hi, and welcome back. Our friends at Eco Luxury Spa sent us over a package and we couldn't wait to get into this one. If you have a love of candles, you're really going to want to check out these subscription boxes. This company makes candles with eco-friendly materials, and it goes right down to their packaging too. It's also eco-friendly and they use recyclable materials. So their candles are poured using natural aromas that are extracted from flowers and bark, leaves, and other amazing smelling natural plants and botanicals. So you're gonna get a really clean and pure burn on these candles. They make their candles from vegan coconut and apricot. They're sustainably and ethically sourced. They're poured in small batches from their Ontario studio. Not only are they passionate about being eco-friendly, they also donate a percentage of the profits to local charities too. And you can read up on their charitable giving right on their website. So what I'm unboxing here is their Zen Collection subscription box, and the link will be in the description for you if you'd like to take a look. Just opening this up right now smells amazing, you guys. It's really good. So we have some matches, and these are totally cute in this little jar. And if you have a candle lover in your life or someone who loves to relax or take a nice hot bath, then this is going to make a great gift idea. Subscription boxes are just those gifts that keep on giving. I've been gifted with a subscription box before, and it's something that I definitely looked forward to every single month and was a little sad when it was all over. So this candle is the Rose Garden, and you're gonna get about 80 hours of burn time. The aroma is just yummy and warm. I wish you guys could smell this right now. This one here is the Oriental Collection. It's called Pick Me Up, and it kind of has like a buttery, creamy caramel aroma with a little bit of coffee. It's really nice. And just so that you know, the wicks are made from eco-friendly wood. They come from fruit trees actually. And when they burn, they'll make a cozy crackling sound. When you're ready to order, you just go right to their website, and then you go to the Zen Collection candle box. Under that link, it will show you all of their different kinds of packages to order, and they range in different prices depending on what you want to get. So definitely check them out. Their website is ecoluxuryspa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a relaxing day.